Alrighty, so begins the price gouging. Of course, it's probably been going on for a little bit longer than my video will post. So I did a search on Amazon for an N95 mask, and I see, oh, here's one, not too badly priced. 3M respirator, N95, cool flow valve, 10-pack. Looks good. So this one over here, 3MR, a particular respirator, currently unavailable, temporarily out of stock on that one. Well, there's more down here. Let's see. That looks available. Those look available. Let's scroll up here. Check out this one. $16.50 for a box of 10. It's a bestseller. You click on that. Where's the $16.50 price? Amazon takes the price off and has you look at these different seller options when they believe the prices are too high. Look at this. New, 4 from $40. These people that were selling them for $16, and one said not $12, I think, now want $40, $59, $65, $68, $70, and $120. You know what? I don't know. I kind of feel like there's a special place in hell reserved for people who do this sort of thing. So I keep scrolling down, and a lot of these are the reusable ones that you put a filter in. So you're probably going to have a hard time finding filters for them, so I'm not even going to look at them. So I come down to this one. There's another one that's currently unavailable right there. Here's one listed, 3M pack of 10, $25. It's an N95 particulate respirator. So click on that one, and then again it says the same thing. The price. See all buying options. Click on all buying options. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? $149 for a box of 10 masks. People like that, in my opinion, should be kicked off of Amazon. Like, how heartless can you be? Here's a couple more. As you scroll down, here's another N95, and then here's a P100. P isn't necessary. It just means that it's oil proof. The 100 still means that it filters the particulates that are 0.3 microns and above. The N95 means that it's not oil proof or resistant, and that it filters 95% of the particulates and above. An N95 mask is hard enough to keep on your face. An N99 or an N100 is going to be a lot more difficult to keep on your face. But let's see, this one says $9.85 for, oh, that looks like one mask. So that's a little bit of overkill. Okay, so let's see how much an N100 is, because that's one of the buying choices. And again, you don't see a price box. You see all buying options. So the N100 is, let's see, $22, $27. And then let's check out the P100. Check all buying options. Wow, $10 and $6 shipping. Not bad. This one wants 30. This one wants 30. So we got so far one person who isn't price gouging, pretty much. Let's go back to the other page and see what that other mask was called. Ugh, I hate when they change everything when you click on something. That's why I usually do open something in a new window. But yeah, that's it. That's what's going on. If you want another example of man's inhumanity to man, check out Amazon and what the sellers are doing there. And, you know, you can do the same thing on Walmart.com, because Walmart allows other sellers on there as well. And it's just ridiculous. Have a great day. Be blessed. Don't be scared. Be prepared. And we'll all get through this together.